I'm gonna tell you the time secret rich people won't share with you, and we are starting right now. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Taha Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share with you clinic and exam related productivity tips and strategies. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. You see, rich people have lots of secrets, and I'm gonna tell you about one of those secrets, which is about time. You see, time is the most valuable asset that we have. It is not infinite, that you can have as much of it as you want. And if you ask a rich person or any person who values time, the only regret that they have in their life is that they did not start early. या जो भी वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, whatever ideas they had or whatever startup that they are running, the only regret that they have is had they gotten this idea earlier in life. And the best thing about time is that it is so equally distributed to everyone. No matter who you are, whether you are rich or you are poor, all of you get 168 hours every week. So time is equal for everyone. But still, we notice that some people are able to do 10 hours, 20 hours of work in just 1 hour. And some people takes 1 hour to complete just 1 minute of work. So let us see what are these secrets the rich people use and how we can utilize them in our life. The first secret is that the rich people love to spend money to buy time. Now, what does this mean? I'll explain. You see, every one of us has an hourly rate. Hourly rate सबका होता है. किसी का कम होता है, किसी का ज़्यादा होता है, but ये सबका होता है. Now, how do you find your hourly rate? See, if you are in a profession, अगर कुछ ऐसा काम में हो, अगर कुछ ऐसे प्रोफेशन में हो where you charge by the hours, it is already very easy. You already know के how much money you make per hour. But if you are in a profession where you charge by the project, so total amount that you get for the project divided by the number of hours you work for that project. This is your hourly rate. Or if you are a salaried person, then how do you get your hourly rate? You divide your total salary that you get in 1 year divided by 52 divided by the number of hours you work per week. That is your hourly rate. अभी ये number of hours you work doesn't mean कि तुम 24 से divide करोगे. No, because you are not working 24 hours. You only divide by the number of hours that you work per week. या per day में जितना hour काम होता है, you calculate that. So this way you can get to know your hourly rate. Now, getting to know this hourly rate is not the secret. The secret is to utilize it. अभी ये कैसे utilize करना है? So कोई भी काम करने जा रहे हो, अगर तुम्हारे hourly rate से कम में कोई इंसान वो काम कर दे, then hire that person to do it instead of doing it yourself. And this could mean anything. You can hire a freelancer. अभी कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करना है, वेबसाइट बनाना है, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग है, means IT related. So you get freelancers. There are a number of freelancers. Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, ये सब वेबसाइट्स में अच्छे freelancers मिल जाएंगे. So if you can find a good freelancer, hire them to do it. Or if you have a small business, अगर कोई small business है या कोई small startup अभी start कर रहा है, then you can always hire a virtual assistant to do a part of your work. Or you can hire a house cleaner. Means anything that can be done cheaper than your hourly rate, hire someone. The next secret rich people use is that they work from a calendar and not from a to-do list. Why? You see, we all have a to-do list. अपना अगर to-do list check करोगे, then you will find that a lot of those lists are left undone. Because हमारे जो to-do list होता है ना, उसमें कोई डेट नहीं दिया रहता है. So we don't know how to prioritize कि कौन सा. We have jotted down कि ये सब काम करना है, but ये कब करना है, we haven't written that. Instead, what you should be doing कि instead of writing the to-do list, you write it down in the calendar. And कोई सा भी calendar use कर लेना. Use Google Calendar, बहुत efficient है, free भी है. So anything that you want to do, write it down in the calendar so that you will have a timetable कि इस काम को इस वक्त तक कर लेना है. And you will find that there are no work that is left undone because you have added a deadline to it. So you will automatically have a pressure to complete it. So this is one very powerful secret that the rich people use. The third secret is the 2 minutes rule. And the rich people follow this rule. Now, what is this rule? See, हमारा to-do list, this keeps on getting longer and longer. Why? Because in this to-do list there are so many tasks. हम लोग ने इतने सारे टास्क लिख के रखे हैं which will take us less than 2 minutes to complete. जैसे कि किसी को मेल करना, किसी को रिप्लाई करना, कुछ ऑफिशियल कॉल्स करना, मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारे टास्क हम टू डू लिस्ट में लिख के रखते हैं जो हमें 2 मिनट से कम लगेगा कंप्लीट करने में. So the 2 minutes rule says that if any task takes less than 2 minutes for its completion, then we don't write it down in the to-do list. We complete it immediately. We do that task immediately. Now, if you regularly apply this 2 minutes rule, you will find that it has cut down your workload by almost 50%. Because ये छोटे-छोटे tasks, these adds up. And these tasks are, first of all, they are not complicated. These are simple tasks. And second of all, it builds momentum through these tiny wins. So apply this 2 minutes rule in your life as well. And you can apply it immediately by subscribing to this channel and liking this video, because it will take you less than 2 minutes. The fourth secret is that the rich people spend their money in learning new skills. Now ये skills कोई भी हो सकता है, जैसे website development is also a skill, या फिर graphic designing, this is also a skill. But I am not talking about these kind of skills. See, if you are into these kind of professions, website developing या इस तरह का skill that will be helpful in your profession, then it is fine. But the skills that I am talking about are communication skills, public speaking skills, negotiation skills. Now these are the kind of skills, no matter in which field you are, कोई भी काम कर रहे हो, these skills will take you ahead in life. You will require these skills in every profession. So the rich people spend their money in learning these kinds of awesome skills. And now the fifth and the final secret. But before I talk about this secret, I want all of you to comment something. I want all of you to go into the settings of your phone, go into the screen time and comment how much hours you have spent on social media, news देखने में या binge watching में, Netflix में, Amazon में, how much time you have spent on these things in the last 24 hours. Comment that in the comment section below. And now let's come back to a point. You see, हम लोग क्या ही करते हैं, but still we always say that we are busy. हम लोग के पास time नहीं है. We can't do this, we can't do that because I don't have time. But have you ever imagined कि Apple का CEO, how come he has time for everything? He does so much every day and still he is able to do everything because he has time. How does he manage time? How come he has so much of time? And यहाँ पे ना वो हमें WhatsApp का वो डायलॉग याद आता है कि क्योंकि हम सिनेमा नहीं देखते. If you are spending 30 minutes per day on news, on social media, on watching TV, then in a year you are spending 182.5 hours or equivalent to 22 days. और अगर 60 minutes per day spend करते हो on these things, then that is about 365 hours per year, which is equivalent to 45 work days. और अगर 90 minutes spend करते हो per day, and I'm sure कि अभी जितने भी सारे वीडियो देख रहे हैं, they all fall under this category. So if you are spending 90 minutes per day on these things, that is 547.5 hours per year, which is equal to 68 work days. मतलब in a year, साल में हम लोग 2 महीना से ज्यादा तो सिर्फ इसी चीज में निकाल रहे हैं. सो नाउ यू कैन इमेजिन कि मोस्ट ऑफ आवर टाइम कहाँ जा रहा है, किस काम में जा रहा है. एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस टाइम इज गोइंग अननोटिस्ड, अनट्रैक्ड. एंड दैट इज द सीक्रेट these rich people do. They track their time and they stop themselves from doing these low value activities. So these were the time secrets that I wanted to talk about in this video. Now I want all of you to answer me this one simple question. The question is that would you wait in line for hours to get something for free? If your answer is yes, then I've got bad news for you, because if something is free but it takes your time, then that is not free. Instead of spending your time to save money, you should be spending your money to buy more time. Let me know how you like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.